Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this device. So let's just get straight into it by opening up settings and navigating into the display and brightness. And in here we have a couple different things. So we have light and the dark mode, which obviously this is just like a hard switch, so you can choose between one or the other. But you also have the option to auto switch between them. When enabled, you have the option to select from sunset to sunrise or custom based on time. And this will basically allow you to set it up so no longer will you be flashbanged by your own device when you wake up at night just to check the time. Now moving on to the next one is the video enhancer, or video color enhancer, which is located also under the display. Video color enhancer, toggle it on, and it should just boost up saturation and contrast of your videos that you're going to be watching, giving it a little bit more punch, making it look a little bit better. And also here you will find screen refresh rate, which you have a couple choices. You have the 60, 90 or auto select. If auto select is chosen by default, that's good. If it's not and you want to have a bit of a higher refresh rate, I would recommend changing it to this one. Now if you want to prioritize battery life only, then select the standard, and that will run only at 60 frames. You won't have this nice smooth motion, but hopefully your battery will be lasting a little bit longer. Now moving on to the next thing, it's a status bar notifications. So by default we have just a typical icons for the status bar notifications. As you can see, we have like 3 of them, and it's showing only 2 of them for some reason, but as you can see it's showing icons, right? So what we can do is navigate into notifications and status bar, then status bar, and in here you will have notification icons, and you can see this is what we have by default, show icons. You also can substitute it for a number, so it now shows 2, or we can completely remove it so it doesn't show anything if that is something that you look for. Now I'm gonna select it to be nothing just because I feel like it looks a little bit cleaner. And moving on to the last thing that I want to show you, which I have been using for this entire video, it's the gesture navigation, which can be found in system settings, system navigation, and you can see it right here. So you have the buttons and gestures. I recommend checking out gestures if you haven't ever done this before. And all you would do is just swipe up to go home, swipe up and hold to go to recent, and swipe from either side to go back, as you can see. So there we go. And with this being said, this would conclude the tweaks and the tricks that I want to show you. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.